Teachers, when you get the email for creating the form for doing attendance, you're going to click the link right here in the email. Okay. The link is forcing you to make a copy, so make a copy. Click make a copy. Okay. Up here in the upper left, you see where it says copy of. You can change this. Your name. Check in. You can add your name here. Okay. The only thing you need to change in this form is here for class period. You're going to delete the class periods that you do not meet. Once and then you don't have to do anything to save. All the changes you make are saved automatically. Now, to be able to send this to your students, we click here on the purple send button. This new window pops up. You click right here on this symbol for a link. You click here for shorten URL and then copy. This is the link you're going to copy into your Google Meets chat window at the end of the period so that all the students can check in. To get the results of this sign in, click here where it says responses, and then click here where it says create spreadsheet. You're going to create a new spreadsheet and then just click on create. From now on, all those students' responses will also be recorded in this spreadsheet. Right here, you will see the date and time that they submit. Okay. So if you put it in your Google Stream, you will have students that will check in outside of normal class time and thinking they will not have to come to your virtual meeting. You need to tell them they need to be at the virtual meeting so that they can be recorded being in the meeting. And that's all there is to it. You can sort this by name and ID and by period because they're telling you what class period they're going to be in. And that's all there is to it. Short, sweet, and simple.